Emerging technologies allow us to rewire industries. By being able to turn networks into markets, we can democratize access to connectivity.
My name is Ken Fields. I have been at Rivada since the company was formed in 2004. My current role is Director of Market Development, and I'm in charge of overseeing the Rivada Open Access Marketplace, or ROAM project. ROAM is really a very simple idea. It's saying that wireless capacity should be able to be bought and sold based on time and location and based on supply and demand. Market dynamics for the mobile network operators is challenging. The cost of rolling out new technology like 5G is expensive. The revenue that they get per user is declining, and consumers are consuming more and more data every year. And it's time to look for new revenue sources, new use cases. There were a lot of components to the marketplace rollout that I felt needed to be addressed with emerging technology. We had done some work previously with Paul Brody, a partner at EY. I called up Paul and shared some of our thoughts about what our vision was in terms of emerging technology and blockchain. He introduced me to Igor Mikhailov.
My name is Igor Mikhailov, and I'm a partner in disruptive strategies in emerging technologies at ey-parthenon. The typical thinking is to try and replace existing processes with what new technologies offer. But the biggest unlock is to be able to rewire your business model and do it with conviction, placing big bets on your future. The first step is trend and scenario analysis, our deep understanding of how the industry is evolving. Second step is the deeper conviction-based thinking, where that industry can go and what does it mean for our client. The third step is creative hypothesis forming, and the fourth step is testing those hypotheses. So we are specialists in thinking differently, and trust is an essential component in enabling us to do so.
This was a challenging project for a lot of reasons. The open access component is complicated, elegant, but complicated. And not everything was known in advance. Igor and the team were instrumental in helping work through that complexity. He really heard what our needs were and put together a team that was going to have the highest chance of success to deliver on a pretty tough mission. I think the ROAM marketplace will allow for permissionless innovation in wireless, not unlike what we've seen in cloud computing. What hasn't been invented that will be invented if the capacity was more readily available.
The Open Access Marketplace puts the traditional concept upside down. It's a decentralized, permissionless architecture, so capacity can be provided and consumed by anyone. It allows smaller players to enter the established scene and innovate alongside big ones. It is so hard to reimagine the future because of the dominant logic. Especially in industries like telecommunications, the biggest excitement is in being able to rewire how the industry works. ey-parthenon helps companies to reimagine their future, place big bets, and do that with confidence.